Welcome to Globe Motors Blackburn, the UK's premier RAC approved used car retailer. Here at Globe Motors Blackburn, we take immense pride in offering the best quality used cars on the market today. Every single vehicle we offer goes through a rigorous inspection by our team of specially trained RAC approved technicians. We perform a vast array of checks, which include checking for nicks, scrapes, scratches or rust spots on the bodywork, curbing or scraping on the alloy wheels, and all electrics to make sure they are in perfect working order. As for the interior, they go even further by checking the seats, footwells and sealing material, as well as the seat belts for any rips, tears or frays, the steering wheel, gear lever and pedals for any signs of balding or wear, and the boot to make sure that all tools and spare wheel is present and in good condition. It's these checks that earn Globe Motors Blackburn our reputation as one of the most trusted RAC approved used car retailers in the UK. On top of this, our vehicles come with the RAC approved buy show package, which includes an RAC warranty, 12 months RAC breakdown cover and the full RAC approved 82-point inspection with quality assurance certificate, completely free of charge. This Toyota's only had one former keeper from new, who did a grand total of 79,104 miles. It has an 11th of January 2025 MOT and comes with a free, fully extensive service carried out by our RAC approved engineers. With regards to specification, the most notable features include a premium entertainment system, EV mode, eco mode and power mode, an energy monitor, drive assist, pre-crash safety alert, lane departure steering system, self-park assist, touchscreen system, Wi-Fi, navigation, Bluetooth with Bluetooth audio, automatic xenon headlights, daytime LED running lights, dual zone climate control with air conditioning, front and rear electric windows, electric folding door mirrors, front and rear leather seats with front heated seats, the full ISOFIX child seat locking system, and 17-inch grey alloy wheels, just to name but a few. If this is the type of vehicle that you are looking for, then this has to be on the top of your shopping list. To view this vehicle, just get in touch by either phone or email, and we will arrange to have it moved to our specially created viewing area where you can view the whole vehicle at your leisure and easily take it for a test drive. But if you can't get down to us and still want to view the vehicle, it's not a problem. Our specially trained customer care team can take you on a virtual tour from the comfort of your own home of the whole car via WhatsApp. Just get in touch and our team will get everything ready. Until then, we'd like to say a massive thank you for watching this video. From all of us at Globe Motors Blackburn, bye bye.